Hey, good morning, Tube Tribe. So it's January 1st, is it? What? It's going so fast. I'm by myself at the studio today. As you might have seen, I changed the name of the feature Instagram account. The account where I publish your work used to be My Tube Stories, and it was very confusing because it's nearly the same name for the YouTube account. And also people were using My Tube Stories hashtag. So I changed everything to Tube Tribe, the username and the hashtag. I think it's going to make things easier and it represents a bit more what it is. We are still all doing Tube Stories, part of the Tube Tribe. Is that making sense? Also, we wrapped up the shooting with Adorama a few days ago. It was so cold in Montreal, minus 20 something Celsius, but we made it. Kim was super brave as usual. That morning I said, oh, we're not doing it, and she insisted, so it was hard. And it's gonna be online in late March on the Through the Lens YouTube channel with Adorama. You might have seen a sponsored post on Instagram about a new light painting tool. It's called Magilight by Fotorgear. I'm going to receive it in a few days. I'll be one of the first to have it, which is kind of making sense because the product is inspired a little bit by the work I've been doing with the tubes. So I have no idea what I'm going to do with it. Also, I've been releasing 42 tube series so far. I'm giving tricks and tips about everything that is tube related. If you have any other questions, something that is not clear, it's a good moment to ask because we're going to film a lot more in the next days. So anything that you want me to give you more info, just ask me in the comments either below here on the YouTube or Instagram, Twitter. I'm everywhere. Okay, also I've been so proud to see your best 9 images on Instagram yesterday. So many of you guys have best 9 that is filled with tube images, and for me it's huge. Like 2017 was big for the tubes, everything exploded, and it's just the beginning, but just seeing your best 9 yesterday got me so motivated. And big shout out to 2 very innovative guys that did super interesting things recently with the tubes. Fun Drake in Russia, they're really good. Go see his feed right here. And Brenton Alexander in Toronto, I think. Yeah, I think he's in Canada, and he's a guy that started throwing the tube for the first time. I tried it with Kim in October. Never released those. They're not really good, but I'll have a second look maybe later today. So that's it for now. Talk to you soon.